Hello 90 viewers, shout out. Please comment and like, share my live. This is Naomi from Single Moms Vlog. Shout out. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I know many are absent on live. I hope you watch my record live, my highlights, so I get views and watch hour and also subscription. Hello 107 viewers. Good evening guys. Road for 100. Ang likot. Comment guys. Comment. Where's the comment? Live chat. So, oh, just shared. Thank you, Darren. Hello. You miss me, Darren. Hello, beautiful island queen. How are you? Yeah, I'm doing good. Very nice and beautiful. To those who don't subscribe yet, you can reach. I mean, I don't think so. I'm happy if I get on Saturday for my birthday gift. Mom got chat to. Hello, sorry, I'm busy. Anong pangalan mo doon? Titingnan ko maya. Kung ma-open to ako na chat. Maybe. Gachit niyo, mom. Tanaw ko na kay Rodolfo. Okay. Hello, Darren. Do you miss me? Man kumakachat mo lang. Bakit? Ang dami pala po. Reply. Hindi ko pa kasi nabasa kung saan niya napunta. Patay kasi. Anti pa pa solo mong nagharap ako sabon. Hala, kalami. Sige. Paano yata kalayuan ng buhon? Kasi chocolate. Hello, favorite ng anak ko. Totoo. Ano? Momski Douglas. Momski. Take note. Later. Tapusin ko tong long live ko. Momski Douglas. Saan ba yan? Ano na akong ballpen? Hello 117 viewers. I would take down para di kong limutan. You share music and reach maybe. Comment and subscribe. You're very sexy. You're my first baby girl. Thank you. Hello to 120. Please subscribe. Makmak is sleeping ahead of me. I'm sleeping at my back. Makmak is at my back. Kasi hindi pa ko nakita. Hindi wala pa ko naka-okay sa messenger na ako. Nating lobat kasi yung